Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, power brakes, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, multifunction display. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.